Welcome back, campers. We're going to be doing the Firecracker prayer today. So, to begin with, we're going to clap our hands 5 times. Now, we're going to point up. We're going to clap our hands again 5 times. Now, we're going to point down. Next, we're going to clap our hands 5 times. And we're going to point right. We're going to clap our hands again 5 times. Now we're going to point to the left. Now we're going to clap our hands 5 times. And this time, we're going to point up, down, right, and left. And now, we're going to make a cross with our fingers. Now we're going to say, wow.
Wow.
And now, we're going to say amen and throw our hands into the air. And now, we're going to say amen and throw our hands into the air. Amen. Now let's put it all together. 1, 2, 3.